NISAR radar has been one of the projects by NASA and ISRO partnered together. Now, this is one of the very unique projects because it would run with two radars, L-band radar and S-band radar. Both of these we would discuss in a while, but NASA from US and ISRO from India have been working together for this NISAR radar project, and NISAR would be the first of its kind to actually study or map the earth systematically with centimeters to centimeters. So it has a swath means the coverage, which is nearly 240 kilometers, and with this swath it would cover the entire earth in a period of 12 days, which is significantly lesser time. Very fine resolution images would be sent with the resolution limited radar system. Now, what is the NASA's contribution and ISRO's contribution in the same? NASA is known for contributing towards L band. ISRO is known for contributing towards S band. Now, S band, the signal would be nearly 4 inches, and for this the signal would be 10 inches. Again, L band and S band are known for specific purpose. So S band by India would be mainly for crop identification and ice surface detection. However, L band would be detecting mainly the forest areas, specifically the dense canopy and the dense forest areas, right? So that's the purpose for the S band. Now, what had been done? The S band had been prepared in India in the Satish in the satellite in the SAR center in Ahmedabad, and this was sent to Jet Propulsion Center at NASA. And at this Propulsion Center, the L band would be actually injected to the system, and this was brought into India in 2023 March at the U.R. Rao Research Institute in Bengaluru, and it would be launched in 2024 from the Satish Dhawan Istri Harikota, right? So that is one of the important identifications that we need to understand. Now, some of the major objectives include understanding agriculture, forest, ice coverage, earth mapping, soil, coastal areas, coastal wind, topography, glaciers, and hazard conditions. And then what is really important, as I already said, it has a swath coverage of 240 kilometers, which means that in a 12 days ascending and descending path, it would cover the entire earth. The sampling on an average would be every 6 days for a baseline of 3-year mission, which has been forecasted. Now, this data would be available open to public under the open data policy of NASA, and this would be provided by the Alaska Satellite Facility Distributed Active Archive Center, right? So it would be based in Alaska. So those are some of the important highlights under NISAR project. Really important for 2024 and highly important for your upcoming prelims examination. We will be covering important such coverages for your examination. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful evening ahead.